Deep within the lush Amazon rainforest, scientists are fascinated by a mysterious phenomenon where the leaves of certain trees change color overnight. Biologists have determined that this rapid color shift is driven by a complex interplay of chlorophyll breakdown and pigment production, influenced by temperature and sunlight levels. Meanwhile, in the savannas of Africa, a curious behavior unfolds. Elephants seem to communicate through a series of low-frequency rumbles that travel long distances below the audible threshold for humans. Using specialized microphones, researchers have uncovered that these rumbles are not only a communication method, but also serve to detect seismic vibrations in the earth, revealing a fascinating biological adaptation. In urban environments, human reactions to flashing emergency lights often seem instinctive. But psychologists have shown that our eyes are naturally drawn to high-contrast colors like red and blue due to their association with danger or urgency in our evolutionary history. This rapid visual response is rooted in the physics of light absorption and contrast sensitivity, which evolved to help our ancestors swiftly identify threats and opportunities. On a distant island, bioluminescent algae light up the shoreline at night, creating an otherworldly glow that captivates visitors and scientists alike. The biology behind this mesmerizing display involves chemical reactions inside the algae cells, where luciferin interacts with luciferase enzymes, producing light through a process called chemiluminescence. This emission of light occurs because energy is released when electrons move back to their ground state after excitation, a principle rooted deeply in quantum physics. In another marvel of nature, the changing colors of peacock feathers are due to microscopic structures called photonic crystals that interfere with light through a process known as constructive and destructive interference. These structures manipulate incoming light waves, causing the feathers to appear iridescent and vibrant from multiple angles, showcasing an elegant blend of biology and physics. Lastly, in the Arctic, scientists observe the sudden appearance of shifting patterns of polar lights, or auroras, which result from charged particles colliding with Earth's magnetic field and atmosphere. This interaction excites atmospheric gases like oxygen and nitrogen, causing them to emit light, a breathtaking example of electromagnetic physics at work. Each of these mysteries reveals a hidden layer of science that explains not only how these phenomena occur, but also why they intrigue us so deeply. From subterranean biochemical processes to cosmic electromagnetic interactions, nature's puzzles are intricate systems of physics and biology intertwined. Understanding these everyday mysteries requires a deep dive into the fundamental principles that govern our world, revealing the beauty of natural laws in action. By observing and explaining these phenomena, we gain a greater appreciation for the complex connections that sustain life and shape our environment. So the next time you see a changing leaf, a glowing shoreline, or vibrant feathers, remember that behind every spectacle lies an elegant dance of physics and biology.